Welcome to Coin Daily, guys. The channel brings you every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Today we are talking about Avocado Coin and how you can make with the blockchain and avocado a lot of money. Let's stay tuned and let's look what exactly they offer us on avocadocoin.com, the first cryptocurrency backed by the avocado industry, based on the smart blockchain 4.0 and ready to foster sustainable avocado farming in Michoacan. This is in Mexico. So let's see. They have an ICO offering right now, 50% target raised, and one AVDO, this is an avocado coin, is $1,000, and the ICO, you have time, guys, still 78 days as a special offer from Avocado Coin. What is Avocado Coin? It's the first token of multiple agribusiness industry-backed cryptos that will foster green agro projects. Avocado Coin will be a part of an ecosystem created to support, help, and generate mass microfunds for the improvement of the planet. Our purpose is to become a global reference in the development of disruptive technologies applied to agriculture. We rely on blockchain technologies of fourth generation, IoT and Agro 4.0 to make the most of our resources and foster green agro projects. Join us to build the most innovative agro project and be a part one of the few cryptocurrencies backed by an actual project and people that are willing to add value to society through technology. So you see, guys, they want to bring two things together, and this is the real world and the blockchain, and you can be a part of it to change the world hunger. World hunger is on the rise yet. An estimated 33% of all food produced globally is lost or goes to waste. Just 2% of farmers owners has the chance to invest in agro 4.0 technologies. Around 40% is the gap between global water supply and demand project by 2030 if current practice continue. And they offer us the solution with Avocado Coin. Avocado Coin will be a window of opportunity for the development of IoT and Agro 4.0 technologies that will be enable the more efficient use of resources, applying crop monitoring in terms of irrigation, pest control, and other processes in the value chain that cause a third of the production to be lost. Agriculture must embrace a digital transformation that is pillared by connectivity and dependability. Yes, so it is. And they are right. And they have here a lot of documents you can read here. They have for sure a white paper. They have another document like a brochure. The 4.0 technology in the avocado industry. And guys, this is a real business behind this project. This is not some promises. This is already working business, right? And you can be a part of this business and invest in their ICO, and you will see this token have a lot of potential to grow, because save the planet, green planet, and agriculture is on the way back to be in the focus of all the people around the globe, right? You can see here the tokenomics, 71% tokens offerings, 1% in advisors, technologies 5%, marketing 5%, founders 8%, and the 10% pressure whatever this exactly means. Treasure tokens are strategically keep locked for unforeseen, extraordinary situations. Okay, nice. That means maybe we have some big whales, etc., who wants to dump the price. You can use this monies, for example, this 10% to somehow go against some whales, right? Symbol, the shortcut of this token is AVDO or AVDO. Initial value 1 AVDO is $1,000 and it is on the Solana blockchain, on the Solana network. So every one of you guys who like Solana have here chance to make some nice profits with Avocado Coin. And how to buy this token? AVDO can be found on Dextrade, IndoX, AlterDice, and an ever-growing list of CEXs and DEXs. Please note that exchanges which support one may not support the other. Whether you choose to utilize a CEX or DEX, remember to research it first to ensure it is both safe and secure. Thanks for that advice, guys. There are many people who don't even know it. And yeah, the exchanges, for example, Dextrade, IndoX, and AlterDice, you can see their logo here. Just click on the links and you will be on Dextrade or AlterDice or IndoX to buy the Avocado Coin or AVDO. And here's the team, guys. Real faces, real people behind this project. The founder Gonzalo and other two founders, Maurizio and Alba. They are the main founders of this project, and you can contact Maurizio and Gonzalo on LinkedIn if you have some special questions about this token. And for sure, they are on Telegram, they are on Twitter, they are on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram even. And they have right now 218 subscribers on their Telegram channel. So it is a very new project, guys. And I must close this. Yes. 218 subscribers on their Telegram channel and 253 followers right now on Twitter. You can be the 254th follower because it is a very nice and very interesting project. The allies for sure: Solana, Slim, Forbes, Nokia. It's all business connection between these big companies because everyone is interested to be a part of the green planet, because our technocracy is growing and growing, but people forget always where they live on. They live on a green planet, and this is how we can keep this planet green, and not only green, wealthy and worthy. This is how and where we want to live. And don't forget Avocado Coin, be a part of it. Take your chance, buy them now, because they're just limited 21 million avocado coins. You can only purchase, if you have enough money to purchase them all, then do it, please. It will help a lot to go forward for a better planet with Avocado Coin. So let me know what you think about this project. Let them know what you think about this project. Contact them directly here with this form, or write down into the comments here on this, under this video. It will help a lot to go forward. If you have some questions, you can also write here into the comments if you have some questions about Avocado Coin. Let me know what you think, guys. Leave me a like and maybe subscribe to this channel if you want to see every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Until next videos, wish you the very best profits on the blockchain sky. And the next video, I say, see you later, alligator. Bye.